The central bank has issued a fresh advisory to PSU banks as an aftermath of the 11,400 crore rupee fraud that we saw in Punjab National Bank just yesterday. The RBI said that at least on 3 occasions they had warned various PSU banks from 2016 to look into their Nostro accounts, and looks like after this massive scam broke out, this advisory coming in for the first time for PSU banks, where RBI has directed all PSU banks to audit their SWIFT systems to see if there were any malicious activities that have taken place. In fact, apart from that, the RBI has also directed PSU banks to ensure that all the SWIFT systems should be linked to the core banking software or the accounting software, and all the entries should be made in the bank books as well. In fact, they are also saying that there is a need to introduce a second level of approval once a SWIFT payment is supposed to be made. This is, of course, a clear indication that the RBI does not want to take this issue lying low, and while there has been a war of words between the government and the centre as to who is responsible for it, the idea behind this is to ensure that such a situation does not arise again. In fact, the RBI has also told the banks that there is a need to put all these SWIFT payments on a real-time basis in the accounting software, which will ensure that such an incident does not take place again.